File system is like a filing cabinet for your computer. It organizes and manages how data is stored and retrieved. It keeps track of files, photos, videos and application and folders, etc. Just like labels in a drawer helps you to find the documents. Different file systems have different rules. Some work best for USB drive, other for hard disk or SSDs. For example, let's talk about FAT32. It's old, it works everywhere but limit file size up to 4 GB. Where NTFS, it is modern, used by Windows, support huge files and security. exFAT, for flash drive and SD cards, it balances the speed and compatibility. ext4, used for Linux, it is fast and reliable for large storage. Also, the file system handles the permissions, who can access the file, and recovery to fix the corrupted data. Without a file system, your computer wouldn't know where files are or how to open them. Now, FAT, that is File Allocation Table. It's a simple file system mainly used for USB drive and memory cards that comes in two types, FAT16 and FAT32. Can't store single file larger than 4 GB. exFAT is the newer version that supports bigger files, perfect for modern SD cards. It works with almost all devices but lacks advanced features. NTFS, which we known as New Technology File System. The modern file system used by Windows computers by default. Huge files up to 16 million terabytes and hard drives. Includes security features like encryption and file compression. Not fully compatible with some devices like game console or smart TVs. Best for Windows system drives and external hard drives. Now, ext4. We called it fourth extended file system. It is Linux default file system, great for stability and big files. It supports massive files up to 1 million terabyte and recovers data quickly if crashes happen. It is faster and more reliable than older version like ext2 or ext3, perfect for Linux users. Now, HFS and APFS, that is Apple File System. HFS, it is the older Mac OS system which was used during 1998 till 2017. Works with hard drives but slower with modern tech. APFS is the newer version which has started from 2017. It is built for SSDs for faster and safer, especially for encryption and save space with snapshots. APFS is what iPhones, iPads and new MacBooks use today. Now we'll understand about the Windows 11 key features. Windows 11 was released by Microsoft in 2021. It's a major upgrade over the Windows 10, featuring a modern UI, improved performance and new productivity tools. Here are its key features. Center taskbar and start menu. It is quick access to application, files and settings. It is pinned programs for one-click launching. It also a search bar to find anything on your PC fast. Direct storage. It has faster game load times that requires NVMe SSD and compatible GPU. It has a Microsoft Store for faster that supports Win32, PWA and Android applications. TPM 2.0 requirement. It enhanced security against the firmware attack. Windows Hello, Face and Fingerprint login. It has the option of Face login and Fingerprint login as well. Here, it manages all your documents, photos and download easily. It can easily drag and drop the file for organization. In terms of Windows 11 security, it has built-in virus and malware protection, also has a firewall to block the hackers. Now, we'll understand about the system requirement, that is the hardware requirement. CPU, should be 8th generation or AMD Ryzen of 2000 plus. The older processors may not support all the features. The RAM should be a minimum of 4 GB. To run basic tasks, you have to be at least 8 GB for smooth multitasking. Anything above the 8 GB will work smoothly for the modern computers. More RAM help us with gaming and heavy applications. Now, storage. Storage, a minimum of 64 GB space for Windows and application. SSDs are recommended for faster performance. TPM, security chip. A tiny security chip to protect your data. It's required for Windows 11, built into most modern PCs. DirectX 12 compatible GPU, that is the graphics card. It needs DirectX 12 support for Windows games and visuals. Most modern graphics cards work fine. Windows 11 versus Windows 10. What are the key differences? Now, let's just look at this and we'll understand first about the design and look. Windows 11 has rounded corners, cleaner icons, and centered start menu, whereas Windows 10 has square edges and left-aligned start. Startup menu and taskbar. Windows 11 start menu shows pin application, recent files, whereas Windows 10 has live tiles. Windows 11 taskbar icons are centered, while Windows 10's are left-aligned. System requirement. Windows 11 needs TPM 2.0 plus newer CPU, whereas Windows 10 runs on older PCs. Performance. Windows 11 is faster for gaming, direct storage, and uses less RAM. Windows 11 lets you easily snap application into grids. Windows 10 has a basic snapping. Microsoft Storage. Windows 11 Store has Android apps. Windows 10 doesn't have it. Now, let's come to the touch and tablet mode. Windows 11 has better touch gesture. Windows 10's tablet mode is chunkier. Virtual desktop. Windows 11 let you set different wallpapers per desktop, whereas Windows 10 doesn't have that feature. In terms of gaming, Windows 11 has Auto HDR plus direct storage for faster load times. Windows 10 lack all these features. Windows 11 has built-in team chat, whereas Windows 10 uses Skype by default. In terms of update, Windows 11 gets one big update yearly, where Windows 10 gets frequent and smaller updates. So, Windows 11 looks fresher, runs smoother, and adds cool features, but needs newer hardware. Windows 10 works in older PCs and feels familiar.